is going to take around 3.5 hours. It's actually really cute. It's like a minibus. It's got aircon. It's comfy. The seats recline really far. It will be all good.
So this is the hostel, and then look, just pan to some absolutely stunning cliffs. Wow. But then I went and had a look at Fig Fish. Hi team. So remember our like authentic Thai meal that we had last night at a Michelin restaurant?
We've come to a chain. It's called Prime Burger.
Yeah.
But it looks good.
It looks really good. It looks very similar to Five Guys. And do you know what? We've both been looking forward to our burger. So while I am slightly embarrassed, I don't feel guilty.
We will make up for it.
We'll make up for it plenty. I'm thinking mango sticky rice for dessert. We'll show you the burger when it arrives. What do we have, Bryony? First Thai mango sticky rice. I am excited. Oh. No, I don't know if it's for me. Literally, why? Bryony's all over it. Yeah, I'm all over it. So Bryony's just decided to tell me that she doesn't want to watch an episode of Love is Blind because she just wants some me time. We can't even calculate the hours that we've spent together, Tamsin. But we've spent almost 3 weeks straight together. Barely even been apart when sleeping. Still in the same room. I think I deserve a little bit of me time. I did it. Good morning vlog. It is our first full day in Krabi, and today we've decided we're going to the Tiger Cave Temple. I think that's what it's called anyway. We've had our free breakfast, which consisted of toast, but it was free, so we can't complain. And we slept really well. Well, I slept really well. Tamsin didn't sleep as well in our new hostel. So yeah, we're in with a winner, I think, and we'll keep you updated with what we get up to.
So we have stopped at Starbucks because apparently that's the only place that's open on a Sunday. So we're doing really well on the authentic front. Went to Prime Burger, and let me tell you, it was probably one of the best burgers I've ever had.
It was very, very, very tasty. I did feel unbelievably full afterwards because I'm such a squeamy queen.
So we were getting ready for bed. Just another thing, we've seen the geckos. They're nothing new. They're our friends now. Like, love the geckos.
We love the geckies.
And then I'm like walking out, and I'm like, tiny little frog, so cute. I'm getting restless. I need to go back to the loo. And then Branny's like, say hi to the frog for me, and I was like, start walking. Literally stop in my tracks, frozen with fear. To the left of me, there is a giant black snake.
And by giant, she means
giant.
No,
It's
not giant.
Insert footage right here.
It's not a blooming boa constrictor.
But it's not a garden snake either.
Have you ever seen a garden snake?
Yeah. It was just chilling. It was doing something. It was going away from me, not towards me.
It was black.
It was black.
So it looked like a serpent of the night.
So obviously, I'm on Google. Can black snakes kill me? Are black snakes poisonous?
Tourist deaths from black snakes in Thailand.
2,500 people die in Thailand from snake bites. I come back and I'm like, Bryony, She's like, did you say hi to the frog? And I was like, worse. And I would go like this, and she was like,
And then Tamsin's like, yeah, but it's fine because we're in the upper bunk. And I'm like, yeah, but you do know that snakes can move vertically. And Tamsin's like, no, they can. I'm like, yeah, they can.
I don't think they can climb walls. Anyway, I didn't
No, I don't
actually
think they can climb walls, but they can like climb trees. Some snakes hang from trees.
I didn't Google that bit. I just
Also,
decided that I was going to go to sleep.
Yeah, in case you didn't know, in Scotland we have no natural predators. Anyway, we're not accustomed to coming across things that could actually cause physical harm.
Cows kill you.
Yeah, but they don't want to.
Neither do snakes.
Well, I'm not convinced.
They do it for like defense purposes.
I don't care.
You would kill someone for defense purposes.
Would I?
Yes.
Also, leave in the comments below who you think's funnier. Because I know it's me.
People just laugh at you, not with you. Just some monkeys fighting.
I was trying to get this and I got your face. So this is a place of religious interest for the Thai people. And we're just scared. Yeah.
Teeth look white.
My teeth look so white.
You look like you're wearing a bra.
It's to you.
No, I'm pretty sure they can see me.
My eyes are staying because of the sweat.
1,260 stairs completed.
Completed it, mate. We look like we've completed it. Tamsin, little face shot. Read me the rest. Crazy!
Hello! We've just decided to do a wee hop, skip and a jump to a place that I've seen online called the Best Pad Thai. It's got some really good reviews, so we're going to test it out, see what we think.
She is piping hot.
The chocolate lava cake.
It looks good actually. It looks really good. These look nice.
I need to put my hair on.
That looks nice.
Hi, it's finally time for a 7-Eleven haul.
You ready? A chocolate lava cake.
I think you should eat it right now then if it's cooling down quite quickly.
So I think I should just tear into it.
I think you should just tear into it. Looks rich.
Oh my god.
You happy with that?
That is like claggy nutball. Just gonna wash it down with some milk. Oh my god, that milk is delicious.
Let me a little sip.
Milky.
We have some of these potato sticks. I don't know, they sounded good. 2 giant cups of ice I've been seeing on TikTok people mixing drinks together, so that's what we're gonna do. My mixing choice is a orange vitamin C drink and a strawberry Fanta.
I got some blackcurrant jelly, orange Fanta, and a cookies and cream Kit Kat chunky. Oh wait, actually, and one last thing, some 7-Eleven acne patches. Happy days.
Sure.
Yeah. Ooh, so pretty.
Look how pretty that looks.
Did we get straws?
Yeah, she gave us straw. Oh, and it all fits. Taste test.
Good.
That is good.
Jelly taste test.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Okay. I don't think I'm getting any jelly. I think I'm just getting jelly like juice.
Oh, maybe you need to squeeze it. Like, give it a little.
I don't have many thoughts, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh. Okay.
So I've decided to put the jelly I don't like and the drink I do like.
Wiggle it.
Wibble wobble, wibble wobble, wibble wobble jelly. Trying the toasty. It's hot. It's hot. Looks good actually. For how much money? 27 baht.
Ok ครับมีแตกแล้วมึงเห็นไหม10 คนเลยพวกมันกันนะฮัลโหลไป
Too dark for sunlight, 100%. And then you kind of feel like half blinded, I think. I don't know how much of that you guys can actually see, but that's people almost waist deep trying to get into those long tail boats. And Tamsin and I don't have swim stuff with us. Hi vlog.
Hello.
We're at Railay Beach West. If they seem a little bit flat, we have just fallen out. But we're fine now. We're friends now.
It's definitely not a travelling trip if you don't fall out.
Yeah. And you're
It's bound
also
to happen.
you're not sisters if you don't fall out. But we
Precisely.
bounced back quite quickly, so we've bounced back. We're just watching all the long tail boats pick up their passengers, and people are getting really wet. So, but yeah, that's pretty much what we've been doing today. We had a kind of relaxed morning, had coffee. We've been to West Railay Beach and East Railay Beach, both quite nice, both quite different. And we've also booked a yacht for tomorrow because we're posh like that.
I'm excited.
So weather's meant to be a wee bit better. I think I'm feeling a little bit salty that it's been so overcast, but
It is rainy season,
Yeah.
but usually rainy season comes with like intermittent like showers, like bursts of showers.
yeah, and I
And
think
then
I'm
some sunshine.
feeling a little bit sad that we haven't had as many bursts of sun, but there is blue
Some
sky,
blue sky.
so I just need to have patience and hope that it will come back.
We decided to go to a little cafe and get ourselves a little juice just to revive us a little bit. And when we were there, all of a sudden, this humongous parrot just flies into the shop.
And lands on the cash
Cashier.
register.
and it's just chilling, and then just goes underneath the cash register. That's really American.
What do
The
we?
till,
The till.
like goes underneath the till and it's just chilling there, and then
No, thank you.
no, thank you.
My feet are not that dry.
She was just touching Brownie's feet. Dry feet, dry feet. I'll take all that off for you. So the parrot is just straight up just chilling, like not wanting to move, and then the guy gets the umbrella, and then the parrot goes onto the umbrella and he like shoos him away, but then he just comes straight back. It all happened like all of a sudden.
And I was kind of scared.
It was huge. Well, the guy, I felt kind of bad because the guy was kind of like trying to like get him to fly, doing that with the umbrella, trying to get it to get off, and then like kind of like coaxed him a little bit with the umbrella, and I was like, leave it alone. But I mean, it could probably do some damage because it was a big parrot.
And I bet that happens a lot. Like,
That
I bet
is
that's
true.
why he was doing that, because he's like, oh my god, this mofo parrot.
We're gonna go to the night market and hopefully get some yummy food. Don't really know what I'm fancying, so we'll see what happens when we get there, basically.
Baby crocodile. Sorry. Spicy?
Yeah.
No spicy?
Okay.
Lemonless.
Perfect.
Welcome.
Kapunka.
Scotland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, kapunka.
I'm trying crocodile meat. It's pretty tasty. The butter cheese corn.
Oh, so good.
Plus Italian sodas, we have peach and apple. What's that like?
I mean, I've just eaten out.
Testing. This
So
time.
this is the thing that people buy all the time, and they sniff it, and they end up getting addicted to it. It's like airwaves.
But like with Christmas.
Coffee beans. Yeah, that's nice.
I'm alive. Good morning. It's Tuesday the 9th of September, and we just thought we would check in, say hi, let you know how we felt the night market went, and tell you of our plans today.
Night market for me was, I'm going to say a 10 out of 10.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I think so.
It was busy, but it was very manageable, which was nice. Like,
Yeah.
we didn't have to wait in lines for anything. We got like all of our food pretty much immediately. We could find seats, but there was still an atmosphere.
Yeah. And there was some nice entertainment going on. I think it's great if you could literally go every day and find something different every day.
Yep. All in all, we spent about £20. So, but that includes us getting there and getting back. And can they see it?
Oh, yeah. Little hair clip.
And the hair clip that I bought. So
And a postcard.
and a postcard. So it definitely is a budget friendly option if you want to eat. And we like we weren't stingy with what we were eating, as you've already seen. I'm excited to try lots of other night markets as we go along. Anyway, as you can hear, probably, it's raining, but it's actually very calming.
It's very peaceful, and we're sitting, like, we've just had breakfast, so we're kind of looking out onto lots of foliage.
We'll show you.
So it's really pretty. Yeah, not a bad view for Tuesday morning, sitting eating your breakfast, which is free as well. Free breakfast here.
You get free bread, butter, and jam. So we bought some bananas, some little tiny little baby bananas, and we've been eating them, which has been really nice. But today we are going on a yacht because we've got fancy. You might be thinking, guys, it's raining.
Yeah.
It should go off. I'm actually really excited, and we board at 2 o'clock, and then it's a 5-hour excursion. Is that right? And we also get dinner, so we're really excited.
The kind of rumble of the motor and the sound of the waves is just like this rockabye baby to me. This is Chicken Rock, and that is Penis Rock.
That is literally, it's absolutely rancid.
Put it away!